I stand right here, I can get the whole thing.
Oh, you get the whole thing? Okay.
Yep.
I didn't know.
Usually. Oh, yep, there it is. See, that does have halogen lights still.
Right.
See, let's see if the gate actually does. It barely covers the road. Actually, no, wait. No, it covers a lot of it, actually.
Well, I mean, I don't think it can completely cover the road because it's not a very big road, though.
It's probably going to be single deck.